Hi folks, when you open your AI Wellness Universe app platform today or tomorrow, you will see a new layout. We decided to upgrade the layout to make it easier to see. And when you see on the left side here, and I'll show you that, you can see the most common apps, which is the Academy, which will show you how to use the apps, the platform guide, easy images, emotion images, image editing wizard, video, express creation style, the social media apps, affirmation wizard, support call in case you have problems. Now here's the copywriters. When you click on it, there's all the details. There's nonfiction book writers app. There's business administration apps and event wizards, business coaches that help you with your business, web funnel builders if you want to build a landing page or website very fast, support for all kinds, Ask Me, Ask Universe podcast, website. I have an AI prompt generator, image and movie AI, there's a logo maker, AI avatar photo booth where you can get great images of yourself, and more AI movies, health planners, nutrition coaches, brain and mental health, and recipe apps. I sorted them to make it easier. We will make more upgrades, and I will add all the videos that we have here to this platform.